try!
Carried on by Uhila, went back. Now Barrett stabs the kick through. Here's Corey Jane. Corey Jane scores the opening try.
And yes, boy, what a try it is. They were very patient, the Hurricanes, but the vision again of Beauden Barrett. This is a knock-on, 100%.
Yeah. The Lions know it. They're walking out for the scrum. The Hurricanes are just about resigned to it.
Thank you. I have a decision.
Yeah.
Glenn,
Yeah.
within 2 phases, gold 6 has knocked the ball on.
Yeah.
So consequently, there is no try.
Yeah, okay, thank you. No try, knock on the 6.
And register first points in the final and sneaks it in. So it's a penalty goal that gets the game underway, which has been impressive in the last couple of games. Now Yankees, Lloyd lobbed the pass, Mapu got it, and he put it straight into the arms of Corey Jane, and this time he scores. So Elton Yankees, and that is right on target. So the Lions have their first points in the final, and it's 10 points to 3. Fadialofa wins it. Perinara gets it up nice and high. Oh, that's offside. Keeps it low and drills it over. And it's 13 points to 3. Salvia's playing in the halfback role. Oh, they've thrown it short. And, oh, the Lions have lost it. A dive. Barrett reckons he scored.
Well, where did he come from, first of all?
Inclusive.
Thank you.
Yes, it is.
Glenn, you may award the try.
As the Lions get possession for one last shot at it. Siren goes. And a penalty to the Hurricanes.
It's Super Rugby 2016 trophy. Your champion Hurricanes!